Hey, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. We are just getting ready to install the premium roof from Kawasaki. The premium roof is available in black, green, and also white. We are going to install the green roof, part number 99994-1325 on this KRX 1000. Wanted to do an unboxing video and show you a little bit about how the install is going to be. Obviously, there is the roof. We love this roof. The design of it is incredible. The graphics, the detail, and everything behind it. The clear view up through the top will be really nice as well. As far as the install goes, you've got two different sizes of clamps. You've got your 1.5-inch clamp, as you see pictured here. These will be on the top sections of the roll cage along the roof or along the windshield there, and then along the back bar. The 1.75 inch, the bigger clamps, will go on the outsides of the cage. All you're going to simply do is take a screw, a washer, and install a clamp in each location from the underside. Leave those clamps open. Don't tighten those screws down all the way, because you may need to move that clamp just a little bit back and forth. This gasket seal is to seal up along the windshield as necessary. Install on this is going to take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You can do it by yourself, of course. It's going to look really good on the KRX 1000. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What do you guys think of this roof? Have you got one? Do you need one? We have them in stock. We have every color. Give us a call again, 435-427-3338. Have you done something aftermarket on the roof on your KRX 1000? We'd love to see it. Have a great day, everybody.